I love to see the ocean's beauty and the moon that shines above. Alone the sand, look on the stars, wishing something find true love. Would it be nice to see the morning with the one you love the most? Would it be nice to say good night to the one you hold so close to your heart, to your heart? The wind that blows the dove is the wind that blows my love. Hope it finds its way to you, whatever you are.